Good morning student, this is Shailesh Kumar and we are on channel Think Math, Think Different, Zara Hatke. So student, in this video you can see we are going with the chapter percentage, okay, and on my left hand side you can see that which topic is going on, that is representation of fraction into percent. So some fraction will be given to us in this video and we will convert them into percentage so that we may clear the concept of percentage in all respect. So we start this video and hope that you will watch this video till end. So student, let us start with the topic how to convert fraction into percent. Good morning student. Now we are on channel Think Math, Think Different, Zara Hatke. Now in this video we are going to name each fraction as percent. Okay. Now what is the percent? You can see such question are being written here. Just like the first question. 235 divided by 100. 151 divided by 100. 75 divided by 100. 29 divided by 100. 13.8 divided by 100. 12.5 divided by 100. It means the denominator of all the fraction is 100. Now we will have to convert them to the percentage. Student, the simple method to write the answer is, if the denominator is 100, then you will remove the denominator and write the numerator along with percentage symbol. Okay student? Now, so we can write that answer. Now, let us see why we should write this. Okay students? Now, percentage means percent. Okay, so it means if there are 100 items, okay, say there are 100 units of anything, and how much we are taking, say if we are taking 53 units, okay, so these 53 out of these 100 will be called as 53%. Okay. Now if I give you an example, if your paper is of 100 marks and you will get 53 marks out of these 100 mark, then how much percent you got? You got 53%. Okay student. So every 100 what you get per every 100, for every 100 what you got per 100, that is called the percentage. Okay student. Now say if I have 1 rupee, okay, how much? 1 rupee, and you spend 50 paise, okay, how much you spend? 50 paise. Now how many paises are there in 1 rupee? There are 100 paise. Okay, 100 paise, and you spend 50 paise. So how much you spend? You spend 50%. Okay, so you spend 50%. Now percent mean per 100. Okay, so I am coming to the question. Here it is written 235 per 100. Okay, 235 per 100. So it will be written as 235. It can be written as 1 by 100. Okay, now I will convert this into 235%. Okay student. So the percentage mean 1 over 100. Okay, you have to remember this thing. Now again, 151 can be written as 151 multiply 1 over 100. Okay, so I can write this 151%. Okay, here 75 multiply 1 by 100. So if there are total number 100 and we are getting 75, then it will be called 75 out of 100. So it can be written as 75%. Now Here in the same case it can be written as 29%. Okay student. Now here you will see that the decimal number is there 13.8. No problem, you get 13.8 out of 100. So you can write like this and your answer will be 13.8%. Okay student. Now in the same way you can write 12.5 multiply 1 by 100, and you know meaning of 1 by 100 is percent. So you will remove 1 by 100 and write the symbol percentage. Okay student. Now this was all the explanation of the percentage introduction. So you can watch this picture carefully for the noting purpose. And if you understand all the things, then please subscribe our channel Think Math Think Different Zara Hatke. Dear student, in this video we have to express the fraction in the simplest form. Now 18.75%. Now we know what is the meaning of percent. Percent mean we have to write 100. Okay, we have to write 100. It means what is the meaning of percent? 1 by 100. Now what we have to do now? 18.75. What is the meaning of 18.75? That we will write 100 because we convert decimal to 1, and how many digit after decimal? As many 0 we will write. Okay, so 18.75 becomes 1875 divided by 100. Multiply 1 by 100. Okay student. Now 1875 100 multiply 100. Now what you have to do now? You have to cancel with the common factor. Now you can see 100 is divisible by 5 and 1875 also divisible by 5. Now student, I am going to now 5 5s are 25. Okay student, when I divide 375 by 5, the answer is 75. And when I divide 2000 by 5, the answer is 400. Okay student, now 75 and 400 both are again divisible by 5. So I will divide them again. 75 when divided by 5 and 400 when divided by 5. The answers are, you may see, 75 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5, 2, 5 5s are 25. So the answer is 15. And when you divide 400 by 5, 40, and this is 0, 80. Now you can see 15 by 80. Again you can see that 15 and 80 both are divisible by 5. So I divide by 5. Now when I divide 15 by 5, you see 15 divided by 5, then the answer is 3. And when we divide 80 by 5, then 5 6 are 30. Okay, now the answer is 16. So in this way we perform division and reduce this to the simplest form. So student, you can watch it carefully, each and every step. So my final answer is 3 by 16. This is the solution part and this is the rough work on this page. Now we are on the second question. 9.2%. Now 9.2 means 92 over 10. Okay. Point 1. Meaning of point is 1. And how many digit after the point decimal? Only 1. Therefore I will write 10. And what is the meaning of percentage? That is 1 over 100. Okay student. Now 92 multiply 1, 92, and 10 multiply 100, that is 1000. Now student, you know 92 and 1000 both are divisible by which table? On which table? 2. Okay, so I will divide 92 by 2 and 1000 by 2. Okay, so 4 2s are 8, 1 12. So the 46 over, now 1000 divided by 2, 500. Now 46 and 500 both are also divisible by 2. So I will again divide both by 2. Now 46 divided by 2. 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. Okay. So the answer is 23 and 500 divided by 2. 500 divided by 2. Now 2 2s are 4, 1, 2 5s are 10 and 0 is here. Now 250. Okay. So you can see how I come to the answer. This is the rough work for the second part and this is the